Hello Beijing Culture Exchange event, a prelude to spring. It is a great honor to be here. We hope they inspire your journey and invite you to discover even more of Beijing's unique winter charm.
Thanks again and see you in the hall.
I like the most cultural dance, and I really enjoyed the event.
Well, some of it I've already come across is getting to experience a variety of interesting cultural elements. I tried the calligraphy, painting a fu.
Hello Beijing.
Hello Beijing.
Hello Beijing.
Hello, Beijing.
你好，北京。
Hello Beijing.
你好，Beijing.
Hello Beijing.
Hello Beijing, 冬至安康。